video, and today we are going to be making a jumping game in Scratch. I hope you enjoy this video, and let's dive right into it. We're going to be choosing a sprite which will be jumping, the main character, which I'm going to choose the chick. Now we're going to code the chick to be jumping. So let's go to events and pick when space key is pressed, something should happen. I'm using a tablet, so when I press on it like that, something should happen. Now let's go to motion, pick a control, pick a repeat 10 times block, go to motion and then pick a change Y by 10. Again, duplicate like that, put it under there, then change the 10 to be -10. Now when I press it, our chick is jumping. If it's quite difficult for you, try checking it again and ensure that you have copied everything as shown here. Now we're going to choose another sprite which the chick will be jumping over. So let's come here, choose a sprite. I'm going to choose an egg, this one. The egg is quite big for the chick to be jumping over, so I'm going to change the size to be 80, like that, 80. Now what we're going to do is we'll be making the egg like move from here all the way to here in a continuous way, like in a circular way. So what we're going to do is put some codes for it. Let's go to events when green flag is clicked, so that when the green flag is clicked, something should happen. Let's go to control, pick up forever loop, like that. Then we want it to start from here, then it should go all the way to there. So let's place it here, put it in a place where you want it to be. I have placed mine there. Now what we are going to do is we will go to motion and go to X this digit and Y that digit, so that when the green flag is clicked, it should start from here moving. So we'll put a glide block like that. So you want it to be gliding from here all the way to there, like that. So you can see we can remove this one first, then put another one like that, then put the 2 to be the 1, to be 2, so that it should glide for 2 seconds. If you put it 1 second, it will go fast, then 2 seconds it will be like waiting, going slowly. Look, now our egg is moving. You can see it's going from there, starting from there, continuously, like that. So that's what we want to do. Now we want to put a type of code for the egg. When it touches the chick, it should stop, to make the game challenging. So what we are going to do is go to events, pick a when green flag is clicked, then go to control, then pick a wait until block, go to sensing, pick a touching mouse pointer, click on the mouse pointer and put it to be chick. Then go to control and pick a stop all block. So what is going to happen is when the green flag is clicked, it should wait until it is touching the chick. Now it should stop everything like this. Look, it stops. It stops. Now the next thing we are going to do is going to add like another type of code which the chick will be using. So what's going to happen is we'll go to when green flag is clicked, then go to motion, then go to X block, the chick should start, you want it to start to a random position. Maybe you want it to be starting from there. So when the green flag is clicked, even if the chick is here, it should go back right you want it to be. I want it to be there. So I'll go to X and Y block like that. So even if when the chick is there, when I press the green flag, it comes right there. So we want, like, when you jump over the egg, the score should be able to be increasing. So we go to variables, make a variable. We'll name the variable to be score. Score, like that. You can see it there. Now we want, when the chick is jumping over it should be changing the score by 1. So change my variable by 1, click on my variable and put it to be score, like that. Then as you can see, when I'm jumping over the chick, my score is gradually increasing. Like now I've jumped over 1 egg and my score is 1. So when again I start it, the score won't go back to 0 because we haven't added a specific command which the chick will be using. So let's add that command. Set my variable to 0, then click on that to be score. Go to events and put when green flag click, just like that. Make sure you follow these steps well, because if you miss them, it's not going to work. So make sure you follow them the way I've done them. So what we are going to do is we are going to make the egg be 2 so that the game can be quite fun and challenging. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to duplicate the egg to be another egg. Let's put it there. The commands are just the same. So what we are going to do is we are going to do some coding. When the first egg moves, the other egg should appear. So let's go to the second egg. When the green flag is clicked, don't delete any command, we're just going to add. When the green flag is clicked, we want the second egg to be hiding so that it should wait for a specific second, then it moves. So looks, let's go to looks, pick a hide block, put it under the when green flag is clicked, put it right there. We want it to wait for 1 second, so go to control, pick a wait 1 second block. Then when it waits for 1 second, we want it to show again. So go back to looks and pick a show look, put it under the wait 1 second block, like that. So what we're going to do is we want the codes from here be the same, like that. So as you can see, the codes there are just the same. So this is what it's going to happen when you play. As you can see, they're moving. When the second egg waits for 1 second, it appears. So that's what we've been making for today. So I jump, my score increases. Then when I touch any of the eggs, my score will go back to 0. So we can add some more codes for, like, if you want to. I'm not forcing you to do, but if you want, you can just do them. We want when the chick jumps, it should play a sound. So put under the when space key is pressed, put that sound chirp, like this. When I jump, it starts the sound chirp, just like that. Then what we're going to do is add a background if you want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose a backdrop. You can choose any backdrop you want, but me, I'll choose the blue sky one, that one. Then we're going to put the cheek on top of the brown line, the one you're seeing. I'm going to place them like that, like that. So guys, there is what you have it. You have your own check jumping game. There is it. You have your own. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video really helped you a lot, and maybe if the codes didn't work for you, you can rewatch the video and make sure you follow the steps properly. Please give me a click the subscribe button and click also the like button, and it will really help me a lot. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.